What's up, America? This is Kim and Neil with Geauga Firearms Academy. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to check out a cool driveway alert system, so let's get started.
By the way, we got a lot of questions about this particular hoodie that I wear. So this is not ours. It's a company called Rothko is the manufacturer. You can get it on Amazon. What is ours though is the patch, because it comes with this Velcro. It's already on there. So if you buy our patch, you can stick it on there if you so choose to do. So just to answer that question.
Neil and I are big, huge fans of things that you can do by yourself that are cheap and easy, security options. So that's why we picked this, and we actually been using it in our house for what, 6 months now? At
least, yeah. And again, I always talk about having layers. So layers when it comes to home security, lights and dogs and bushes and cameras and all that kind of stuff. So this one's going to focus specifically on your driveway alert. So basically the way this product works, and it's called the HTZ Safe. And it's on Amazon. You can check it out. It's under 60 bucks if I recall. And basically the way it works, we'll show you here in a minute, there is a unit that mounts to the mailbox. You can put it wherever you want, but we put it on our mailbox. It's black, our mailbox is black, so if anything, people look at it, they think it looks like a light. And it has a solar panel built into it. And then it has a receiver that's in the house, which we'll also show you how it works. And then if anybody, small child, I mean, I've had little kids, 3-4 years old, walk past, it'll beep. Cars, it'll beep. So anything that crosses the threshold of that beam, and you can point it wherever you want, it gives us it sounds like a doorbell that goes off. So it's like a pre-doorbell doorbell. And so a lot of times, like we just had it happen just now, right?
We just had someone come and deliver a package, so before they even got to the door, we already knew someone was coming. So before the cameras let us know, before anything else, we had the driveway alarm go off.
Yeah, that's the whole point. It goes ding, and Kim pulled up her camera on her phone, which I highly recommend. The technology seems very advanced, but it's super easy to do. It's available everywhere. Real-Link, by the way, is the camera system we use. We also have a wired system, but nonetheless, she pulls it up on her phone, looks at it and goes, yep, that's UPS or FedEx or whatever the hell it is. It could happen at 2 a.m. or it could happen now. People back in the driveway to turn around at 2 a.m. happens, right?
Yeah. You
just want to go, all right, is it just someone pulling the driveway to turn around, or, you know?
And if you have a busy driveway where people do that often, you can even put it closer to your house, so maybe it won't go off, you know, if someone's just backing up. So you can, you know, play with it. You know your house best, your area, and what works for you.
Yeah, there's no wires or cables. It's a completely wireless system. And again, it runs on solar. So you could mount it on a post, a tree, anything you want.
And we've had no problems even with like gloomy days like today. Haven't had to charge it. It's been just working fine.
Yeah, I mean, you got to think, even in the cloudiest conditions, I mean, it doesn't last for months. So, I mean, it'll stay charged for a long time. It has an onboard battery, and the solar panel just kind of manages that battery. So let's take a look at the stuff. So here's the unit here. As you can see, it's got a built-in solar panel, and this beam just shoots across the driveway here. It's just black on a black pole. Looks like a light, if anything else. It doesn't have any lights, doesn't illuminate or anything like that. There's no LEDs on it. And when something, like right now in my house, it's beeping like crazy because it keeps breaking that beam. But simple installation, it's just 2 screws and you're done. So
here we are back in the house. I'm here waiting for it to ding. Neil's gonna go out and alert it so you can hear it. But it's a really simple system. You just plug it in somewhere where it's centralized, where you guys can hear it. We can hear it from our bedroom. We can hear it when we're in the living room. It has adjustments on the side so you can make it louder or quieter, whatever you prefer. Real easy to use, nothing complicated.
It's not really a product review, although it kind of is, and we've had it for 6 months and we like that particular brand and whatnot. Like I said, you can get it on Amazon. I don't make anything on it or anything like that. I'm more trying to talk to you guys about the actual device itself. And there's lots of brands out there.
And if you guys have one and you like it, share it. We'd love to hear about it.
There's a lot of other brands, a lot more costly brands out there as well. This one seemed like a value priced one where it provide, well, if it worked, and it does.
And if we'll keep it posted if something happens and it doesn't work anymore, we'll do a little update video. But so far, so good. We've been really impressed. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe here on YouTube.
And hit that damn bell, because I know that YouTube isn't going to tell you they got videos. By the way, forget the bell. Just come back and check.
Just check on us once in a while.
And by the way, if you're watching this video, that means that there's another video that just got released as well, only to Patreon.
Yes.
So remember that. It's a 1-for-1. We do the best we can with that. So Patreon, a lot of new changes on that. And if you're watching a video here, that means we made one for there.
And if you haven't already, make sure you follow us on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, and we put all of our premium content on Patreon. Until next time, remember,
It's always better to be judged by 12
than carried by 6.